Any mention?
Please, Lordship. Chief, I beg to mention item number 26.
Yes.
Pray the matter may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Is it state?
Respondent number 1.
I'm not for responding number 2.
The state? Whose state?
I'm for the state, Your Lordship. I'm for the state, respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Any objection?
No, you know, Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes, 26 after 2 weeks. The request made on proceedings. Okay. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 27, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent.
This is civil revision.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. There.
2 weeks time, Lordship.
No objection.
Same. Yes.
Highly blessed.
Yes.
My Lord, item number 25, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, I require a week's time.
No objection, Lordship.
On the prayer of the petition list after 1 week. Yes.
Item number 1.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a quashing petition, Lordship. The brief fact, Lordship, is that the complainant, the petitioner here rather, she is the accused in the matter. There are two identical matters, both are on board today. Two different PSK's number pursuant to an FIR lodged on the same day, two different FIRs. Basic allegation, Lordship, is that in July and August 2023, the complainant had purchased some plot of land in Ribhoi district from the petitioner here on the basis of documents issued by the Dorbashnong and CM Ship and those what we call Dulir, Lordship. Since that date, till about May 2024, the complainant has been in, even till today also, the complainant is in possession of the land. I have never gone and interfered or otherwise. Somewhere in the month of June, Lordship, 2024, two identical FIRs has been lodged before the Clariat police station, saying that this land belongs to someone else. No mention of anything else, just saying that
Who filed the FIR saying that land belongs to someone?
the
else?
person who is in possession of the land, the buyer, who bought it from me. She says that I have fraudulently sold this land to him, but this land actually belonged to someone else.
No, but then what is the basis of filing that? No, what purpose it is?
The basis is, Lordship, what had actually happened is that in between, after the selling and purchasing was done, the land, this is about 66 to 70 lakhs total transaction. The buyer was not very satisfied with the land. That was the actual reason.
No, that
Which
is what
why
you
he
were
wanted
saying,
to
but then otherwise what the FIR say? We are not
kindly have
much
the FIR, yes.
we are not much interested to know your version of
Lordship,
story
please,
at
yes.
this stage.
Kindly directly have the FIR, Lordship. At page 31 is the original. And type copy at 35. Page 35, the type copy is there, Lordship.
Yes.
If I may just read, Lordship. In inviting your kind attention to the subject cited above, I beg to complain against Srimati so-and-so, daughter of so-and-so, this is the petitioner, and against two persons, namely so-and-so and Rangba Shnong and so-and-so Secretary Shong of Pinthor, Bhoilasa village, on the facts stated as under. That, sir, on 2nd August 2023, I had purchased one landed property, namely so-and-so, from the above mentioned miscreant Srimati so-and-so, where the said property falls under the jurisdiction of Pinthor, Bhoilasa village, so-and-so district. The landed property, namely, is about 18 acres, amounting to 66 lakhs. To this effect, one sale deed dated 02/08/2023 has been executed respectively.
It was a registered sale deed.
No, it is the Kacha sale deed, Lordship. Above name is screen so and so, based on the sale, or based on the deed dated 25/5/23, duly issued to so and so by the Dorbashnong of Pinthor, Raid Bhoilasa, William Sameship, such and such. Which afterwards, the deed dated 25/5/23 tree was torn by Srimati Ailinti Lingdo in front of Shri so-and-so Rangbashnam and Shri so-and-so Secretary Shong of Pinthor Bhalasa village. Transaction of consideration of the sale of rupees 66 lakhs were partly in cash and partly by way of check in Khariat.
What kind of transaction it is? Like land was sold to you, and then you
Sale was
tear
sold
that,
by me. By me, Lordship.
destroy that earlier sale deed.
No, it was purchased. It was sold by me. That is our allegation that I have
That
told
is all
the
right,
sale.
whoever it is. Now after selling, you destroyed the earlier.
No, that is what she is alleging. That sale deed is never there. In fact, what she is saying that this 25/5/23 was torn in front of the. That nothing was of such was there, Lordship. Then in any event, she says subsequently the Dorbash
Then what was your source of ownership? How did you came to own the land?
No, I have my sale deed, but this deed which she is talking that sometimes some deed of 25/5 was torn and all, that we don't know, Lordship. In fact, even in the investigation, nothing of this sort has come out.
And how you become owner of the land?
I am only owner of the land by way of inheritance from the earlier Lordship. It's a large Lordship, will see 18 acres, it's not the small.
Proceed, let us see.
Subsequently, the Dorbashnam so-and-so, wide, dated 02823 has issued to me another deed, thereby confirming and establishing that I am the absolute owner and shall possess therein the landed property, namely so-and-so. Since then, I am in possession of the said landed property until 17th May 24, when I was shocked to learn that the said landed property which was sold to me by Srimati so-and-so and the ownership which was confirmed by Shri so-and-so Rangbashnong and Shri so-and-so Secretary Shong belongs to another person. That, sir, on the above, the act of the above miscreants has with the common intention deceived me, thereby causing me financial loss. Thereafter, making a numerous phone call to Srimati so-and-so not to demand back my money of rupees 66 lakhs. Instead, Srimati so-and-so threatened me to cause injury to my person if I continue to demand my said money. Whereas I make numerous phone calls to Shri so-and-so and Shri so-and-so, they intentionally avoided my phone calls. Till today, the above named miscreants are avoiding and seized all contacts with me intentionally and cheated me. Hence, I have no alternative. So, such and such, Lordship. Now, this FIR was filed, Lordship, on 5th June 2024. And pursuant to which, Lordship, charge sheet has been filed against me in the court of
already.
Lordship in the court of Khariat. Lordship will have it at page 38, charge sheet. Under sections 406, 420, 468, 426, 427, 120B and 34. Now, even in the entire charge sheet, Lordship, it is essentially a narration of the FIR. Lordship will kindly see the brief facts at page 43.
Yes.
My Lord, I appear for respondent in one state. My Lord, number one, my first submission is this is a case which is entirely a private dispute regarding sale of a particular plot of land. There are two cases, my Lord. The first plot is in the first case and second plot, my Lord. And it has been admitted, my Lord, here in the petition itself. If Lordship will have para number 12 at page 11.
That is what he is also trying
Yes,
to
my
say.
Lord. So, my Lord, with regard to framing of charge, that argument and written submission has already been submitted. And on the 11th of July, as per the order, the order would be passed. So, my Lord, if the order comes in his favor, this 482 petition...
So it was argued before charge.
Yes, my Lord, yes. Framing of charge has already been... my Lord,
Pending for order.
It's pending for orders on the framing of charge. So he could have awaited for the orders.
Coming at this stage here.
My Lord.
In all probability, the charges will be framed. That is how. Because two identical cases, even the
My
next
Lord,
matter.
he
Word
is
to word
believing,
same
he should have waited for the order first, my Lord.
But then you are agreeing that that is a civil dispute.
My Lord, yes, we are agreeing.
So then why should we allow from that court to this thing? We will record your agreement and quash the proceeding.
No, my Lord, the only
We will
thing...
say that Learned GA agrees with the submission.
My Lord, I agree to the extent that this is a private dispute, but so far as the proceeding before the court, my Lord, in that case...
No, private dispute, whether it involves any criminal offence or not, that is the question.
Yes, my Lord. So, my Lord, even if coming to the petitioner's claim in the writ petition, he has also not enclosed any document to exactly substantiate that he is the absolute owner, because the other party is also claiming to have...
What is needed for us is just to see whether there is an involvement of criminal offence or not.
My
Now,
Lord.
if you agree that that is not there, then we will record your this thing and we will quash the...
No, my Lord, I'm not agreeing to that. I'm agreeing to the fact that there is a private
submission was
dispute, my
there.
Lord.
Mr. Deb, come to the page 44, it seems that you are involved in more than one such kind
No,
of
no,
thing.
that she is talking about the other affair.
No, a chart sheet, page 44, come to the chart.
Lordship, yes. This Lordship, the second case which she is talking about, that is also filed by the same complainant.
Who is talking about? This is investigations report,
Lordship,
investigating
yes.
authorities report. This
No,
is not a
Lordship
part
is
of
talking
FIR.
about that bottom last paragraph.
Yes, further to be noted here in this scene that.
Lordship.
So there,
Habitual offenders.
last but one paragraph. Yes.
Lordship, yes. No, this is also.
So this is what.
this-
so you may have these things.
This PS
You
case
convince
also-
people that you own certain plot of land,
No,
and
no,
you
Lordship.
deceive them and sell it, take money.
This PS case also filed by the same complainant. There is another PS case also in Clariot
You
filed
don't
by
know, you see,
same
like,
complainant.
only because of the submission of the landed GA. Otherwise, anyway, we'll
If
issue
Lordship will
notice.
see the second item, that also word to word identical FIR, Lordship.
But then why you did not, if you have already made your argument before the trial court, why you did not wait for the
Outcome of the
result of that?
Lordship, all it is
Was it
fixed for
proper
orders.
for you to approach two authorities at a time for the same relief?
No, because we have not considered the charge, we have placed the argument, Lordship.
That is what, if it is allowed there, then your purpose here is served.
yes.
That I,
Your relief is same. So is it proper to approach two different authorities seeking same relief at the same time? Simultaneously, you should not.
That I completely
So
agree.
that is what you should have waited for that.
Let
that is,
notices be issued maybe.
that is not
because in all
expected of you.
probability, Lordship charge will not be discharged is very unlikely in this kind of. I am not.
Then
anyone
you
to
should
say.
not have argued it. Which way you say it?
I'm not anyone.
Which
I
way you take
I
your
agree
statement, it is very unlikely.
That. No, I completely agree to that.
So that is an admission that you have a bad case then.
I agree to that. That it is that order is framing, pending framing of orders on framing of charge.
Yes, your last hope is only the GA. If she admits,
My lord, I'm
Okay.
not admitting to the offence, my lord, that he is clean. I'm only saying that, my lord,
Quite
they should have
apparently
awaited
after
for the
2 years
outcome of
they come and file an
the
FIR
framing
saying
of
that
charges,
someone
my lord.
else
When they
whose
have
land
already
was-
second
argued.
case is also similar.
Same date of FIR.
That makes your position much more worse.
Same date of FIR, Lordship. Kindly see if.
But then, if it is two transactions, are you saying that you have not received the amount which has been mentioned in the FIR?
No, nothing.
Is
like
it your case?
Nothing like that.
And second case also, do you
The
say?
simple case
so that
is-
means once you say, do not dispute that part, that you have received money, the prima facie something is.
I am saying that till today also the land is in possession and ownership of the complainant only, Lordship.
Anyway, complainant is a party here.
Complainant
Let
is-
the complainant appear.
yes,
Yes. We will issue notice.
After 2 years they come and say suddenly it's someone else's land.
Let us see who is the owner and whether there is a whether. Otherwise, what is the purpose? What relief a person will get by filing a complaint like this?
From the FIR it appears that he is more interested in getting his money back, which is why I said that actual reason of this background was that he was not satisfied with the land. 1 year later he probably because maybe he wanted to do
So
some
it is a different strategy.
activity. So he has gone for this.
Right? Anyway, let us see what is the strategy.
Lordship.
Yes. Heard Mr. Deb, learning counsel of the petitioner. Issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. Yes, madam, 3 weeks.
My lord,
You will appear for
one. Respondent number one, my lord.
Sir Colonel, Rani GA appears for the respondent number 1. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice of the respondent number 2 within 2 days, list after 3 weeks. Second case, same?
Lordship. Only
Same
the
order?
PS case
You will be
number
there in the second one
My
also?
lord, yes, I'm there in number two also.
fixed on the same date. PS case number is different.
Okay, the same order.
The same. Obliged.
Item number
You
3.
take steps in both the cases. Yes.
Obliged.
We've taken steps, Your Lordship, on respondent number 2.
Yes, it's awaiting service report probably. So what is to be done?
Come after 2 weeks.
You will verify status or you want to wait?
We'll verify the status, Your Lordship. It's not completed, we've checked.
Yes, the office note indicate that the service report, respondent number 2 is yet to be received. Stop. The petitioner shall verify status and file a service affidavit in respect of the said respondent within 2 weeks. You file an affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. Interim may continue, Your Lordship.
There is an interim order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In the same case or in the miss case?
It's in the miss case.
What is this matter about?
Your Lordship,
That is a Lok Ayukta, Your Lordship, recurring whether the Lok Ayukta.
Okay, just come to this thing, miss case. There you write list along with the main date petition. Stop. Interim order passed earlier. Shall continue till the next date.
Apply, Lord.
Item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Miss A.D. Sharma. She is the LSC in this matter for respondent 5 and 6. Your Lordship, she has already filed her objection.
So the matter is ready for hearing. Yes. So we'll list it for hearing
Your Lordship, yes, Your Lordship, but after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
after 3 weeks. All right. Okay. The state is also a party, Mr. Yes. The Learned Council, I think, other parties submit. Acha, this. But then, can you take your submission as this thing?
Your Lordship, as instruction, Your Lordship.
Okay, just say it is submitted. Just say it is submitted. That on objection on behalf of the respondent of 5 and 6 has been filed. Stop. The learned counsels appearing for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. Stop. Paragraph as paid for. List after 3 weeks for hearing. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Well, it's
This is that contract tender matter, my lord.
Yes, yes.
I'm praying for some time, my lord. The matter it appears in the order column, my lord. It's fixed for hearing actually. Well, I'm praying for 3 weeks, my lord. After 3 weeks, matter can be
Yes.
Yes, my lord. That's the main.
This will go for hearing then.
go for hearing, my lord.
Is there an order passed listing it for hearing?
No, my lordship.
Lordship, since there are 3 dates and petition has been seeking adjournment for.
No, we have only sought adjournment once, my
Anyway,
lord.
we'll say we can record now that you say that it's
Yes, matters can be heard.
Matter can be.
Yes. Yes, that can be recorded.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel appearing for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. Stop recording the list. Just say as paid for. List is matter for hearing after 3 weeks.
Yes, 3 weeks, 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes, 3 weeks. That's
Grateful.
yes.
Much obliged.
Item number 6.
Lordship, steps have been taken upon that.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I prayed for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit.
No objection, Lord.
Just paid for why? The learned counsel appearing for the respondents. Your respondent number?
Only respondent.
All the respondents. Appearing for the respondents. Further 2 weeks' time is granted for filing affidavit. Compound is filing or counter affidavit in the matter.
Oblige.
Yes.
Item number 8.
Lordship, I am awaiting instruction, Lordship, from. I am appearing for the state, Lordship. I'm appearing for the state 1 to 5, Lordship.
Yes.
I need some more time, Lordship.
Yes. What is the matter about?
This is with regards to appointment of master role, Your Lordship. My service was terminated and then subsequent employee was appointed, Your Lordship.
But there is a...
But he was not made a party.
Okay. Replacement of one employee by another employee.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ad hoc by another ad hoc.
This is contractual, but there is the appointment.
No, contractual also, but then you
But
don't
there
have
is
a right
no-
to replace a contractual
But there is
by
no
another.
appointment, Lordship. On the day of motion, Lordship, I have raised that since as per the admission of the petition that somebody has been appointed in his place, that it ought to have been
Okay, it's not been party.
at a party.
Okay. So,
I'll,
how long? How much?
Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. As per by Mr. Sheikh, Learned G, appearing for the state respondents. Yes, appearing for the state respondents. 2 weeks time is granted for filing counter affidavit.
Must.
Yes.
Item number 9.
Made this is your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, by the order dated 15/5, Your Lordship, we have been allowed some time to make the final award, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That process is going on. We need some more time, Your Lordship. The process is ongoing, Your Lordship. If Lordship is kindly allowed us another 6 week time, Your Lordship.
Lordship, make it 4 weeks, Lordship.
Let it be 6 weeks, Your
See,
Lordship.
what should be done? That is the main thing.
Yes, Lordship.
It is useless, you see, like you taking time again and again. Mr. Shulai, you see, at least you should
Lordship,
see until unless
hopefully it will be.
until unless
yes.
you push them, they will remain like that.
It's a matter of 2006.
We'll push. We'll
We
push.
know it very well. Until unless you say
That's
like
all,
you want it, that will not be done. Dr. Mojiga has no role for the time being.
For the timing, yes.
Okay, then we'll just adjourn it for
We're
further
trying to
6
pass an
weeks.
award now, my lord, with the land that was acquired in 1980s. We'll reply to that, my lord, once state takes whatever action they want.
Okay, just say the learned AG appearing for the. Just write Mr. Shulai's name. Mr. Shulai, learned AG appearing for the state response submits. That. Preparation of final draft report is on, and some more time is needed to. Final draft award is on, okay, and some more time is required to complete. Place for grant of further 6 weeks time for completing
Lordship.
the process.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 9 to 13.
Oh yes, Mr. Paski, just that will be recorded. Your name will go. Yes. What is it? Place for just say. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned counsel appearing of the petitioners. And say prayer allowed. List after 6 weeks. Mr.
Highly
Shulai,
apply,
please
Your Lordship.
see.
Lordship, yes. Certainly, Your Lordship.
Same order would carry for, I don't know, 10 to 17.
Same
Same,
subject.
I am the petitioner on that.
To 22, Your Lordship. Up
I
to
think there appears a common order is passed. on all
Lordship,
the
yes.
matters. Yes, there will be a common order.
Yes, Your Lordship. Up to 22, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Hearing item number
Apply,
23.
Your Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Mr. K.P. Bhattacharjee is conducting this as leading counsel in this matter. He's currently on legs, Your Lordship.
So what is to be done?
Can come at the end of the boat, Your Lordship.
We have some more matters.
Your Lordship, even me, I was under the weather, Your Lordship, in this weekend, so I couldn't prepare.
Not feeling well.
feeling well.
Okay, then
So
we'll
I
just say
couldn't prepare the matter.
when we'll just say on the joint request. We'll have it on some other day then.
Okay, Your Lordship.
On the joint request made by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. That is all right.
Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, you'll be fit.
Highly obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
24.
Yes. No one. None appears for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Yes.
29.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this, Miss Yathan? Yes, madam. What is this?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a case in respect of for quashing of the FIR, Your Lordship.
In what case? What offence?
Accident case, 279 304. Your Lordship.
On what basis? There is an.
Your Lordship, as per the last order, the Honorable Court has been directed to file an additional affidavit to bring on record the deed of settlement between the
Okay.
family.
You have done it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay,
I have
and
filed the additional affidavit.
Who is appearing for the aggrieved party?
My lord,
Here for the state, Mr. Singhon, isn't it?
my lord.
Your Lordship, in this case, it is a joint petition between the accused and the complainant, Your Lordship.
The petitioner number 2's brother expired, my lord, during the
And what is your contention here?
My lord, this is accident, my lord. I leave it.
There is a similar case, the motor accident case.
Yes, my lord.
That is, I think some order was passed on the basis of the compromise. by
Yes,
this-
Your Lordship, I have this judgment.
Even this also. Relying this one.
Is it something more or less similar here?
Yes, Your Lordship, is similar. And I think only the difference is here is between the victim is the relative of the accused person. They are relative, Your Lordship. Other two judgment also are there, Your Lordship, passed by the coordinate bench.
Yes, this has been reflected in this court judgment in the earlier thing also. Yes, these are the bases where Mr. You see, like Pasa basically convinced this court. Otherwise, this court was not very inclined.
Right.
304A.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But then since there exists a decision by. Yes, Mr. Singhon, what is your stand?
My lord, I leave it to the discretion of the court. This is a accident.
Mr. Singhon, we do not know. Probably sometimes in this kind of matters, state has a bigger role as to whether they should have an objection to it or not.
My lord.
Now, if you see the earlier decision of this court or the court coordinated bench, the court had allowed it, but then state has never raised any grievance against those. Now, if you go by there, then we can say that you do not have any serious objection.
My lord.
Now, we do not know whether we should go to that extent, but then if it becomes a precedent, then will it be proper?
It's always on the case-to-case basis, my lord. Here.
That is what is to be said. Because otherwise, if a petitioner can show that there exists a compromise, that will bind our hand in view of our own decision.
Right.
We cannot take a different view in a different case.
Right, my lord.
So that is what is to be said. So, okay, we'll pass then order. It will be more or less the same kind of.
Same.
We'll, this is, you drafted this last order. find out that, and then just come with this thing without wasting much time. We'll just change things. And we'll take the facts from your petition. I think you have stated the petition. Your facts are stated in the petition, isn't
yes,
it?
Your Lordship.
Anything you want to mention specifically apart from any additional thing apart from what has been?
No, Your Lordship. Only the deed of settlement, which I
Okay.
have
And what is the
submitted.
stage of the case now?
Now, evidence, Your Lordship. Only the complainant has been finished. Examined.
Okay.
Obliged.
Handing.
You send it to me. No, nothing more. I'll give you a call after some time.